Hi everyone, welcome back to 95th day. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and I slept early. Before we get into that, I'll share something which I wanted to as soon as I start recording this video. I had a crazy dream yesterday. It was me, Babai, Pidrana, Ritti and Nana. We were in Bahrain out of nowhere, and we were just chilling, roaming around in the desert, and then uh, we saw this place where there were a lot of cars parked in the desert area. So we went over there and we saw a huge, like a auditorium, and then we went inside. There were a lot of celebrities over there, and I got to sit I mean, among them, and in front of me there was Weekend, and there was a lot of people like Kendrick, Drake, and everyone. There were a lot of uh, Hollywood hip hop stars and everything. And then AP Dillon out of nowhere came, and then people were running around him. It was a crazy dream, man. If that was real life, it would have been crazy. And then uh, I went to talk to him out of nowhere, like he was my best friend, and he replied the same way. We had a nice conversation, and then Weekend started performing out of nowhere. Then we had a good time. Also, Weekend, when he was sitting in front of me, I didn't talk to him. He was talking to the person who was sitting right next to me, and I was just smiling. I was saying nothing. I want to be. I mean, if I'm sitting among them, I should be professional. I should. I mean, they have their own private space over there. All the celebrities are sitting over there. I can't go over there and say, "Hi, sir. How are you? Can I get autograph or something like that?" It would have been very weird. Also, I'm shooting with my flashlight. The lamp isn't working, and that happened. And then when Weekend was performing, he performed "Die for Me," "Die for You," and "Drive." That was a crazy song, and then I got to meet him afterwards while performing. There was a bodyguard, and then still he was talking to me and everything. It was a crazy day, man. And when I woke up, it was 3 4 a.m. I kept this video to upload yesterday's video, and it didn't get uploaded. And I was I keep waking up and sleeping, keeping waking up and sleeping, and that happened till morning 5 a.m. And then finally I woke up at 9 a.m. and then I uploaded the video using my mobile data. That uploaded the video, and then it got uploaded around 10 a.m. and then I uploaded the reel at 10:20 a.m. and called Nanamma. She reached home, everything. So yeah, I wrote the entire diary. So I'll just go through what happened and everything. We're already 3 minutes in. So after posting the reel, I went to shower and came back and did puja, and I did a lot of time pass when I didn't do anything. And I was watching Premalu yesterday. I slept watching that Premalu movie, and I was watching that. And this time it felt very different. I mean, always it is something different, but I watched it very closely this time, and it did hit me again. Why did I mean, it hit me like the first time I watched it. The first time I watched it, it gave me a lot of hope, and that is what happened this time also. So after that, I was just sitting around doing nothing. And then I hopped on stream around 4:21 a.m. Before starting the stream, I made sure everything is smooth and everything is working very smoothly. And then I saw these earphones of Chintu. I was streaming using that. We had I was Today's stream was about learning VSCode, and according to the new updates, we were gonna learn how to use it and everything. We did some very basic thing, how to open a file and everything, and open the terminal extension, sidebar. Not a lot of crazy things, but we did something. I know more because I made a aura page, like that's like a links page on Instagram where you can put all your social platform links over there. I did that, and we were doing pretty good. And then I uh, opened my YouTube to check how the audio is doing, and then I figured out that it was crazy. Like it wasn't working that well, so I plugged out of mic, and then I was streaming using that earphones for a while, and then the earphone only one side is working, so I took the headphones. I thought headphones was giving only output, it wasn't working as a mic, so I was using that, and after that I switched to headphones again. I mean, I was using headphones as headphones as speakers, and mic as my mic as the mic. We did stream VSCode for really for a good time, and then after stream I did some research, and then I went down to bring some groceries like fruits, sweet potato, apple, and everything. And then came back, had milk, and then dinner. While watching this Iman Gadzhi's make money online 2.0 monetized thing. I mean, it was kind of good thing, but I didn't get anything much of value. I mean, they were teaching something about alchemy of self. I mean, they think. I mean, he was saying that if you want to master like making money, you have to master yourself. I mean, that's obviously that's like basic principles. I mean, you should have that kind of mindset before having the money. That's true, but that is not what a lot of people want. But I was there, I was watching that. That happened. That started around 9:30 p.m. and then I had my dinner meanwhile simultaneously, and then I went inside around 10:30. The main session started, and then I was watching that. I fell asleep watching that. I didn't feel like there was a lot of thing of value, so I mean, I might have missed a lot of things. I don't know if I'm not sure if they have uploaded the video on this. I'll watch today, and we're already 7 minutes in. And then afterward, I slept around 11 p.m. something, and then I came over here, made my bed, and then I slept here. While watching that stream, they were doing Q&A. I mean, it was around. I came here around 12 a.m. and then I was watching till 12:45 and felt like this is not going anywhere. So I turned off the TV, and then I slept pretty early. And that's it for today, guys. And today, if I had to share something, that I couldn't learn everything, so the only one thing I'm gonna share today is gonna be shorten your learning curve. Shorten your learning curve, because this world is growing rapidly and growing and evolving very rapidly. So if you don't adapt to everything that is going on, then you will be always left behind. You have to grow according to the how everything is going around in the world. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys, and thank you so much for being here. Throttle on full gas and no brakes. Also, I'm planning on changing entire. I mean, I'm gonna learn DaVinci, and I'm gonna change the entire way I upload this video. I was thinking about this, that I should record clips of mine while doing some things, and then clips of mine while doing something, like when I woke up I'll take a shot of that, and then while streaming I'll take a shot of that. I will film myself everything and then make a small clip. I mean, obviously I have to master DaVinci, so this week we're gonna focus more on that, and I'm planning on making my content more better by editing it. So yeah, raising the quality of the videos by learning the editing. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you're doing something productive for yourself. And as always, throttle on full gas, no brakes. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much, and take care. I'll see you tomorrow.